It was his goal the whole time.
What, that you were gonna hit 540?
Yeah.
We going for that 540. We don't even take no bullshit.
No, look what Benji said.
What?
Let's go for 600.
Full for today. I've been saying that to her.
I don't know how hard it was to give him money yesterday.
Yeah, I was just telling him.
Everyone thought he was scamming. He was trying to scam them. Shit didn't make no sense.
Microsoft? I'm good on Microsoft.
Too.
Cleaning ladies at the crib.
Really just between that Tesla downside and Nvidia.
Yeah, trading specialist.
Yes, sir. I'm actually having both ready because you never know what this
access to the green list.
Right.
Part of stock hours.
I might actually have Tesla ready on the main account.
Part of stock hours / NourTrades.
You guys are strictly waiting for 320, or are you looking at yesterday's low at all?
Not the same shit, bro. It's 20 cents away.
Huh?
It's 320. Yeah, 320. I mean, the low is pretty much 320.
What,
No, I
Tesla?
mean, yesterday's low was 322.50.
It was in 320.40.
Huh? Yeah, yesterday's.
Oh,
not 2 days
okay,
ago.
yeah. No, I'm waiting for 320. I'm waiting for 320, bro. Tripping.
Ask him for the number.
Coffee ain't hit yet. But not 320 for me. I don't know, but unless Frankie and Nor like it before then. 322.
Alright. Yo, chat. It's been an insane month.
Remember today, Friday?
Today's fucking Friday. Chill the fuck out. You don't want to sit here at the 2 hours into a Friday and regret what you did in the morning. Like, damn, why did I do that stupid shit?
You're not trying to trade coin today?
What the hell is going? No.
What a degenerate.
My bad.
No. Amazon yesterday had a crazy weird rally, but I was already done for the trade day, but it broke out the 1 hour.
I'm getting Tesla ready.
You're getting tested. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, Amazon 2 just ripped.
Alright, chill with that.
What the fuck? Alright.
Alright, we have to decide, are we trading this if it comes straight down or no?
Wait, did the market just open?
Yeah.
Oh wait, Tesla just...
George, are you gonna trade this if it comes straight down or no?
No, I need a little something. Need a little something.
Yeah.
I may go in lighter if we come straight down. Like way lighter.
I'll take a half size then if that happens with you.
Yeah. I won't use my normal size on a Friday with that. That drop at least. Nvidia is actually at 156.40 as well.
What was we looking at? 157?
Mm-hmm.
And Meta's pushing too.
I'm not worried about Meta. I think Nvidia and Tesla I think I'm gonna be late to Nvidia. Yeah.
What is this bullshit?
Yeah, Nvidia's gone.
Amazon shook that shit, and Nvidia is about to shake that shit.
Alright, because I'm just focused on Tesla today.
Me too. I'm not playing the low though.
No, I'm not either.
What's y'all's alert?
30 cents.
Mine's 25, so same shit.
Mine's 27.
You're like the middle. Are we touching it? Or are we shaking it?
What did you say yesterday? If you touch it, you see it.
Like, if you feel it and you want to touch it, oh shit. I'm in. I hate those types of drops right there. That's not the best feeling. But I'm in the 320 puts for Tesla. Where's your stop, Frankie?
I'm thinking 321. Yeah, I'm out. I'll retry this. Those contracts lost way too much in value for me to want to stay in. Market wicked at the same time. Yeah, those contracts got smoked, bro.
Did
Holy.
they? Not really. Not for me, at least. I don't think.
Would you add near the bottom, Nor, or not?
NQ,
No.
NQ green candle, Tesla red candle now.
Contracts are moving, bro. Why?
Yeah, be careful, guys.
I stopped out there.
All right, cool.
I'll retry it though.
I stopped out as well.
Nvidia rejected right off of 157.
157,
That's
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy. What the hell?
I'm for sure down to trade that if that comes back.
Adam, that's on the watch, but not yet. Not yet. A little bit higher. It's still, we still got time on that. Why are you going in that heavy, bruh? Yeah. Why are you still in? Yeah. That's a Frankie thing right there.
Nope, I'm not helping. If he's gonna be doing like that or acting that way, I'm not saying shit. Circle, look at the drop. What did it do? That's not. I've seen. That's not that bad. Honestly, that's honestly not that bad. What did meta end up doing? Rejecting? Yeah.
No, it's not reject. It's just
They got
consolidating while the
close.
market. Yeah, we're still far from where our entry is, anyways.
Yeah. I still have a close eye on. I'm down to retest or replay. Tesla.
Tesla, yeah, I am too.
Alright, Meta's starting to push here now. The market is pushing as well.
Nvidia is pushing as well.
We switching to that?
I'll switch to Nvidia.
To Nvidia?
I'll switch to Nvidia soon. Yeah, I'm still on Tesla. Because I think Tesla's still really weak. I think this has the potential to bear flag really aggressively.
Great.
I do like a relief rally on Tesla. I'm looking at it possibly here.
324.60 or something like that.
Yeah, around 325. I'm looking at the 325 calls if this was to push up here. Likes to do this on Fridays. It all depends though. If the market shows me a pause here and Tesla continues to push, then I'll try it.
Oh, AMD climbed all the way back up. What the hell?
Yeah, that thing's pushing.
Crazy.
Guys, I'm looking at 325 calls on Tesla. I'm in. Light. I'm going for a move up here. This is a hard trade. It's not easy.
High did 57 cents Nor, so you know.
Yeah, it's rejected 3 times here. Same candle.
There you go.
Oh, there it goes. I'm using a $1 stop, so I entered at 324, 324.30. So I'm gonna use 323.30 as my stop. Market just had a big pullback. Tesla pulled into that stop.
This is why we tell everyone, Adam, to size down on Fridays. All 4 days can go extremely well and smooth, and then people think the same thing's gonna happen on Friday because it happened all the 4 other days. They use the same sizing, and they get screwed. So. Teslito coming back down now.
Doing its own thing now. Nvidia never happened, right? No.
Nah, $1 away now. Stuck in consolidation right now, but I'm only focused on the upside.
Yeah, dude, AMD's at yesterday's high. It's about to go for it.
Shit won't stop.
Did AMD end up breaking?
Nah, it's like.
Oh, it's
50
right there. I'm not sure. I'll watch it. I'm not trading it though.
Nah, I'm not changing shit. Are you done?
Yo,
with
I
this?
haven't seen y'all go dumb in a bad way in a long time on a Friday. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all just because we're back on Discord?
Too excited.
Too excited to be back on Discord or what? The fuck? You got another buffoon over here talking about he down 50% on a Friday, which is 40K. That's crazy.
40K.
Anyways,
Yeah, I just saw that. People like gambling.
Are you still interested in the upside at all, or are you staying away from it?
Yeah,
now?
yeah, for sure. Just want to see some movement here into 325. It'll be the same type of play, but the entry would be 324.75 entry alert.
It's definitely doing its own thing.
My target from there would be 327, just to let you guys know. I mean, that was where my target was before as well, so it was worth it at the time.
oh, look at that shit, Nor.
What?
He's probably a fucking troll from somewhere else trying to fucking post some bullshit. Probably some fake shit, probably another fake profit guy. No? You're not trolling? Why you have that shit on there? You know what, actually, don't even worry about it. I'm not worried about it.
Frankie, handle that later. All right, here comes Tesla again. Same contracts. I'm looking at the 325 calls. Market's doing its own thing. Red candle. Is there news at 9:45?
10.
Okay, that's fine. Entry's 324.75. I'm gonna retry it. Target would be 327. Obviously, can sell before that, but that's my like bigger target. About a $2 move. A little more than that. Target. And then remember my alert was 324.75. We're at, where are we? 324.75, 324.80. Damn, market's pushing higher. Above 325, I'll start scaling out. I think quarters, yeah. There it goes. All right, guys, nice move there. I'm about to sell a third just to make sure. It is Friday. Remember, this is opening price, so this is where the struggle is at. I don't know if you guys played it, but I'm up nicely.
Yeah, I had a 275 fill.
I'm trying to get rid of
Looking,
this.
yeah, I'm looking to sell another piece above 50 cents.
Oh, there it goes. Sold the third. Nice little move already. Here we go. There it goes. Guys, I'm about to sell another third. Finger on the trigger. You can sell at any time. I'm up nicely.
You got a third left.
Nice.
Waiting for 326.
That's with the market pulling back.
Yeah, that is with the market there.
Guys,
Oh, yeah.
finger on the trigger. Get ready. If I were you and you're in too heavy, this is time to walk away. I don't like how long it's taking right there. I was expecting a faster squeeze when we were up there.
It's like a little flat top there that was showing right pre-market, no? Right before the drop at pre-market.
Let me see. Oh yeah,
$2 drop.
but that's above 326. Oh no, it's right at 326 actually.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and that's around yesterday's close. No, that's not yesterday's close. I'm tripping. I don't know why I listened to that.
Make sure you have a trailing stop.
Mine's gonna be 324.60.
All right. Anything else going on? No. Oh, meta flat top. I'm down to switch to that actually.
You like that on Meta, Frankie, or no?
If it doesn't happen like right now, then yeah.
Oh, that does look. It's just consolidating there.
Yeah, and market just
Yeah,
had a
I do
big
like
red
that.
candle, and meta's just like still consolidating.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to that right now, so I'm not in anything.
732.50s. I got good volume. Yeah.
What'd you say? Yeah.
Let me know if it touches
Before 324.
732,
back.
please. I'm doing something right now. I think
All right.
I got
All right.
you.
Here comes Tesla, guys.
That's what the market. No. Oh, yes, it's kind of pushing there.
Meta's the one
And
that
Q-
pulled back
Yeah.
there. I was about
and
to
Q's
switch
pushing,
over.
pulling back too.
You said what?
And Q's kind of trying to pull back there.
Yeah, it just had a rough candle.
Frankie's getting close to 732.
Okay, but
The ask is at 732 at least. Yeah, Yazi. I'll talk about it later.
Big market pullback right there. Look at this from QQQ. What's holding up here? Is Meta holding up? Pullback. Where's Tesla? Oh, no red
both
candle on
hold.
Tesla again.
Yeah.
Oh, red to green on QQQ. That's weird candles right there.
what would be your alert for this? 50 cents. Probably.
Mine's above.
Like I was thinking 40, but with the way this is consolidating, I think I need to have it at 50.
I had mine at 72. I mean at 75 cents
Oh.
because you're getting a consolidation here in the market as well. So I don't want me personally. I'd rather play a little bit safer on a Friday.
Oh, like 732.75. I was thinking 731.75. I'm like, bro, are you crazy?
Oh no, heck no. See what happens. See how aggressive it is.
Tesla's about to break out crazy right now. It's ready. Especially if the market pushes here. Tesla's. Oh, wow. There it goes. Told you.
Meta's
Oh
going
my
for it too,
God.
no way.
Yeah, Meta's going for it. It's right at a 1 minute trend, FYI. So just keep that in mind. I don't really respect it, but I respect it because it's Friday.
Because it's Friday.
How much volume was on that candle? Nothing crazy on Tesla, but that was, oh my God, guys, Tesla.
Back to 733 on the ass, George. Should get a push here right now.
Nice.
Yeah.
I know we're at that 1 minute trend. I'm giving this a little bit of time because it is ahead right now.
You know, I'm gonna wait.
If that's my own mistake, then it's my own mistake. But I think this is ahead right now.
Yeah, I'm with you here.
I do have a tight stop. Sorry, I do have a tight stop though, George. So.
Where at?
These contracts hit 275.
Okay. Where's your buy?
290.
Oh, okay. Alright.
The reason why it's so tight is I accidentally herbed up and hit the buy button twice, so I'm in with double.
I got you. You got it. You're in a good spot right now. At TH, yes, that's another reason why it's mainly that supply that I'm keeping a tight stop here. But on supply zones like that, I still expect a nice pop right through.
That's a nice bounce off 732.50.
Yep.
Pushing with the
My target is around 50 cents on
You
this.
get out of that, E?
733.50.
Did you?
No.
We got on an
but I
almost
wanted
red
to sell
green
another
there,
third
but it
there.
wasn't enough.
It's just by the
Market's
time I
pushing
put
again.
my fill order, it was too late. Wow, what are you
It's
trying
not
to get out of
helping
this?
Meta's case as of
I'm
yet.
just trying to be down minus 25.
News in
Alright,
5
that has
minutes.
That's
I'm at,
terrible.
minus 27.
27 what?
2700.
Oh, how much are you down?
2700.
Oh, that first trade?
The first two. Oh, yeah, the first trade though, for real.
Alright.
I was trying to get a little bit more on that shit again, but I like it though.
You gotta take it
Another
easy.
red to green while
Friday.
market's having a decent green candle, like a heavy green candle.
The market's breaking out and Tesla's not doing anything. That's not good.
Breaking the 1 minute trend. About to sell here.
Get ready, E. Don't get greedy.
No, are you still holding Tesla here?
There, I sold right there, guys.
Yeah,
like I said,
Benji,
I was
I
in a
think
lot
it's a
heavier than
terrible
what I
hold, though.
wanted, so I just wanted to get out of that. So that's my bad. George can
What'd
talk
you
about
say,
the
Noah?
trade since he's still in.
I sold
It's
a
a
piece
terrible
there.
hold, Benji. Because the market's ripping and Tesla's barely performing, so I don't want to get stuck in this. I'm trying to get out right here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna sell
I'm seeing
another quarter here right before 734. I got half left.
Good shit, George.
Got half left. I'm gonna sell another quarter right above 734, and then oh man, this is going now finally. All right, the ask is right there. The bid, I need the bid above here, and then before I can sell another quarter here.
Benji,
Here we go.
Benji, shake that shit.
nah, I don't like. I
nah,
don't
fuck
like
that.
this. Benji,
Where's
get
mine?
ready though.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right,
Looking for this
that
50
bid just got
cents on the
above.
phone.
Nice push here. All right, sold another quarter.
Alright, I sold another third, Benji.
Rocco, yeah, I am looking at
Oh
735.
my God! Now it goes.
Okay,
Market's
now I'm gonna hold
ripping right now, though.
Yeah, you
the
got.
last quarter. I'm gonna hold, and I might possibly add at 735. if it
Benji, I'm
sets
all
up.
out.
Trying to sell.
Nvidia's coming back. The problem with Nvidia is that the market's already breaking high.
It didn't
today.
fill me, Benji.
Didn't feel me either, bro.
And so that, due to that, it makes Nvidia look weak or that it's behind. So you want to be careful with Nvidia.
Need this
Meta-
part to hold here.
Meta's the
on
only thing I
Meta.
want to be focused on, guys. So
I just sent what I want and Meta to hold. That's holds. I'm gonna add probably.
Benji, I that fill didn't fill me at the end. I still have 1/3 left.
I'm probably gonna use 325.50 as my trailing.
Yeah, we need to do it now, ASAP, because these contracts are losing a little bit in value.
Yeah.
Alright,
No.
I'm all out of Meta. I'll retry it at 735 with Frankie.
Remember, target was 327. We just basically touched that shit. Fuck.
Good trade there, Frankie. Good shit.
it just sucks. I bought twice on accident, so I had to come change my plan.
This
Benji,
contract's
where's your
actually
trailing?
moved, bro.
No, they did move, bro. I was surprised. After I sold, they moved like another 40 cents.
My
Yeah, I saw
trailing
that.
325.50, Norm.
What?
Wow.
325.50.
Nice sell, Jordan.
That's your trailing?
Yeah.
Look what I sent though. Look, this is what I be talking about with my zones. I expect pushes into it, but those rejections can happen just like that.
All right,
I'm
yo,
so
shout out to
two-thirds.
fucking Tesla, bro. I got everything back. I needed that.
See, now that's crazy, Nick. The problem
God
is, like, I wouldn't.
damn.
Here we go.
Oh, they're still in a trade.
Sorry, Frank.
No, you're
Guys,
good.
327 is the target. Do not get greedy. You're here. I got you to the finish line.
I got one runner left. I'm going for 327. My trailing's gonna be before 326 now.
Yeah, when your friend says he has one runner left and this is me.
I mean, it's not the same.
I mean, one of the numbers are the same. So.
Yo, look at Kunal. Look at Kunal. Oh, that's funny. Fucking Kunal, bro. Shit. Hey, that was a perfect sell right there, boys.
George,
on
that
Meta.
was you sniped it. Holy.
You saw the picture I sent, right?
Yeah,
That's, what,
yeah,
that's what I be talking about in those. I expect pushes into it
All right, cool.
right through, but that drop can be nasty. So
News just came out, right?
Bro, what the fuck is QQQ doing, bro?
The news. It's
Can't-
the news.
Oh, all right.
well,
Here we go on Tesla, bro.
fucking Benji's more
Benji,
excited
shut the
than
fuck
Nor
up.
right now with his one runner.
Fuck it.
Uh,
Traded light on a Friday, okay? Chill.
No, there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just saying.
it is really funny.
Alright, ES is breaking out here. Fucking QQ. Where the fuck is my Wada?
Yeah, bro, he likes to take the day off. Use it this early, bro.
I think today's one of them days he says
what?
he has nothing.
We're actually at all-time highs in the market. That's so crazy to me.
Dude,
No,
it really is kind of nuts.
I was reading an article about that and I was like, wow, how did we get
Like
here
the-
so fast?
Yeah, bro. This can't be real, bro.
Bro.
Nah, that's usually
Bro.
what happens before the financial crisis. I'm dead serious.
You think you still think there's a chance?
You really are though. Like that's how it was with COVID dropping everything.
They ignore every red flag and they just anything is a rally.
The only stock that's pissing me off is Apple. Apple's been
Yo, Apple's
Yeah,
in a crazy
flat.
consolidation, bro.
Yeah,
Hey,
Apple
Frankie.
Apple,
Like a
Apple
month
not
now.
moving higher with the market is a lot scarier than
That's what I'm
than
saying,
people
bro.
think, bro.
I use Apple and Nvidia. Well, no, maybe not so much Nvidia, more of Apple
being
as like an indicator.
Outperformed by fucking any stock right now.
Yeah.
You know, so I have 3 long term: Apple, Meta, and Nvidia. Apple's only up 15% from where I bought. Everything else is up 50% and 60. That shit's crazy.
Probably
You guys can
finna
look
get
at
out of
Apple
this.
right there on the screenshot. Like people who attend the Saturday charting sessions, you guys know what I'm talking about. But for those who don't, it's like we just skip over Apple every time because it's nowhere near the bottom or the top. And I'm not ready to play any of the in-between stuff because I just don't like trading Apple that way.
George, real quick.
Hmm.
Look at Tesla
Talk to-
real quick. Should I just get the fuck out with my last third here?
Honestly, this shit's making me impatient, bro.
I'm about to hurt somebody,
Yeah.
and it might be Benji if he says I have one more runner
you-
left again.
Couldn't you use the bottom of like the last few candles at around 80 cents as your
Yeah, but that's
stop?
giving away a couple thousand.
I get
I-
that, but you gave your trade room though. Because if you really want 327, I think that's good, no?
I don't know. Hold up. Let's see. The big funny
It's
candle.
just
on
weird that
QQQ.
market's right
Yeah,
here at the high.
Nah,
in
but
Tesla.
but like look at the candle here on QQQ.
That's yeah. That's where it was rejecting all pre-market nor. Around that area, 327, 328.
I just stopped out on that candle there.
Fuck you,
personally.
Benji.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Shit. Yeah, I think
That last
think
third didn't sell was so annoying. I had
No, bro, that shit was
plenty of
super lame,
opportunities.
bro.
Nah, it came back and broke that high. I just canceled my limit order. That was the only problem. I should
I
never
fucking
canceled.
had the IB thing set to buy instead of sell like a dumbass. Fucking nothing filled. I was like, what the?
Be like that.
Nor's about to mute him. He tired of hearing his one contract.
Oh my god,
Um,
QQQ, bro. What is that?
ES is going crazy too. I feel like you would use a close below this candle.
I'm
here.
using the bottom of that wick. I'm about to send an alert. 325.66. I'm just gonna like go that shit.
Fuck, bro, look at that.
What?
I don't even think I would have retried meta here yet, Frankie.
No, I'm waiting. Market's just
This shit's
grinding
just
new
going
highs.
dumb.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, I'm using 325.66 as my trailing stop. I know I signaled the sell, but I never got filled. So for you guys, it probably worked out perfectly because you market sold, but I had a limit fill and it didn't fill. So 325.66 for me. Brushing his teeth, I guess.
Yeah, Yazi, all-time highs.
Add in my alerts at 734.70, but it doesn't mean I'm trading it. I'm with George. I just don't like how behind it is right now. I understand that meta's close to all-time highs, but as of right now, I'm not comfortable with this setup and the way it's moving.
This shit's still going, bro. This is crazy.
Bro, Tesla got me holding on to a trade like it's a fucking Monday or something. Oh, there it goes.
You have a
327
limit
is about
sell
to
or you
hit.
get a market sell?
No, I'm gonna limit and I'm gonna get fucked again. So let's find out.
This guy could
No,
literally
you
just
got-
market
Oh,
sell.
there
Alright, there you go, Nor.
Holy
320.
shit.
It broke 327 there.
Yep. I'm gonna tell you when it fills, guys. 'Cause-
Sell at least a half of that, bro.
Bro, I have a limit order sold. It's in the air right now.
You could have just market sold to be fair.
You
That's
got
what,
that
that's
shit
what I was
at
trying to
380.
say.
Yeah, bro.
At least half. Nah, it's
Oh,
going,
it filled,
it's
it
going,
filled,
it's
it
going.
filled, it
Should've got
filled, it
filled.
filled, it filled.
Yeah, okay,
Alright,
nice.
let's go.
Fucking close. I was about to say some crazy shit.
Yo, Benji, how much would you be up on that one contract?
Hey, so what George say, Nor?
No.
No?
I break even for the day, brother.
Ah,
Chill out.
dang.
Yo, don't tell a grown man when to sell.
Yo.
The last time that happened, what happened, Maki?
Nah, we learned our lesson.
Maki been stuck shaking it with stock hours for the past few years now.
Nah, but you gotta, Maki sometimes. Never mind.
That's a great recovery play on Tesla. Even though it was slow, it did its thing. I sold at 380 a contract right there. They're about 390, 395. $4.
Oh look, they caught you on time and sales, bro.
Where it was 150 though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
That was like a 20-minute trade.
Yo, tell you coming back? Where you going?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Bro, now it
Oh.
fucking wants to fucking go.
Yeah.
Don't look
Yeah,
at it.
tell your favorite trader. Let me see him on times and sales.
Take care of your life, brother. Good to see you, buddy. Have a good weekend.
Hey, I think that's a sick picture if you catch that, Ian.
Can you screenshot on your phone, Frankie?
Yeah.
I sent mine right after replied to it. Was that you, Nor? Yes, the fuck it was. Tesla, bro, even right now, Tesla's doing its own thing.
Alright, I'm sorry, chat. I'm gonna delete 2 comments, or I guess 2 messages, so I can get the full screenshot.
He owns times and sales. Don't believe him.
Yo, someone said I owned the broker yesterday, bro. I was dying. That shit pissed me off.
Shit. Nah.
I know it's sending. I'm sorry, brother.
I feel like if you own the broker, you're making a lot more money.
Nah, he said I own the broker.
What we doing here, Frankie?
On what?
I'm skipping for now. I'm gonna
Meta?
stick to
Yeah,
that.
I'm looking at meta, yeah.
I'm gonna
What's
stick
on
to
Meta?
that.
Oh shit,
I'll watch it. I'll see how it plays out.
bro.
What, bro?
Meta
Yeah, what about it?
over here shaking that shit.
Maki, what you doing over there, bro?
It's bro.
What, bro? Bro, what?
Ah, man.
Where are we playing this
Yeah.
on?
If I would have traded that, guys, I would have been filled at 250 a contract, and I would have been stopped out already. Yeah, I'm good.
You would have stopped out already?
Yeah. After the herdery I did on Meta earlier, yeah, for sure.
All right, guys. I'm looking at 735 calls on Meta. Our alert is 734.85. Oh shit! What the fuck is that?
Those yeah, be careful, bro. Those contracts just went from 260 to 210.
That market just crashed.
If we set up a little longer, then I'm interested in Meta. As of right now, I'm still not interested, guys.
My alert was 3 cents off there. It's actually looking way better. Guys, this is going to be a quick candle, I think, if we get it. So keep that in mind. Frankie, I think you should play this.
I'm gonna just watch it, brother.
All right, do your thing, 21. I'm in. Let me know if it breaks.
I have an alert, yeah. I'm 2 cents off here on the ask.
Big was
Tight
that
stop.
wall?
It's like 6,000. It's not even that big. It's just technicals or
10 cents
or
off on the
buyers wanna
ask,
buy the
guys.
stuff.
The bid needs to come up here a little bit.
Do I got time to send an alert or you got it, Frankie?
I have it. It's right here.
Right here, right here. Oh,
There you
bro.
go.
Oh my
Oh.
god. I sold half.
Third. Oh shit! Alright. Oh no, stupid ass, bro! I sold everything.
Sold everything?
Yeah, son of a bitch. Alright. It's all good.
Alright. That was a great play.
That was 52 cents on the contracts.
Nice. That was beautiful, honestly. For a meta trade on a Friday, that was a good scalp. I filled limit on the sell. Oh my god, look at the market. How'd you do, E? You sold that?
Yeah, I'm still down.
I know, but did you play it?
Yeah. I just don't have that much buying power.
Yeah, Nvidia is creeping here, but
What's it at? Oh, it is. But it's so behind though.
yeah, that's another reason why I was okay with taking that scalp on that because it caught up and then while market was consolidating.
I think I'm gonna on the video. I'm gonna just watch it, see how it reacts.
Market's moving like GameStop right now, the way these QEQ candles are happening. Might call it a day after that. I don't like seeing these candles. Look at this QQQ candle. George.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
That's insane.
Meta's right there at the bottom of the zone. It needs to hold. It's gonna continue with some upside. That hold, I may retry it on the cool if it shows some strength.
What?
Meta.
Wow. If I see the market pull back more and I see Nvidia hold up and make more local highs before 157, I'll switch to it. Or I guess I can actually trade it. But for the meantime, I'm still watching it.
Just keep going. I might call it tune too.
Would you have traded Tesla 320 differently? No. No, I like the way I traded it. Widened my stop a bit. Because 320 is important on the stock, but nothing like major. Probably like an extra 4 to 5%. But yeah, I think that trade was fine. It's just one of the unfortunate ones where it just had a nasty bounce. It's bound to happen with any stock we trade, right? So
That's the main reason why we go light on Fridays anyways.
Well, not only that, I mean, even on
Well,
any other day, so the chat knows it's proper risk management. You don't want to end up like that other guy I just banned because he had his own service. Nothing. He had one customer review, but regardless, he was getting banned anyways. But that's a perfect example why. So, someone who doesn't understand risk management. I saw him make 10K yesterday on coin, and that's it. And then he was down like what 50 today. So, you can tell where that goes. Where that guy's headed with his career.
Yeah, I'm looking at 327.50 calls on Tesla.
Here we go. This is the fuck I'm talking about.
Consolidation. Nice.
Come on with it.
You said 15,750?
I'm looking at the 327.50 calls, yeah. I'm in. Divergence, consolidation, and markets falling. Can't go wrong. Well, can go wrong, but oh my god. Oh my god.
So the quarter there, Nor.
Nice.
Don't touch it. Don't
That's
touch
a
it.
crazy pop right there.
All right. Wow. Wow. All right, that's a good, great scalp right there. As great as you can get them. Can't get any better than that one. What was the high on the stock? 328.32, something like that. That was insane.
330.
That was beautiful, guys. Divergence, consolidation, breakout, everything was in its favor. And the market was pulling back and Tesla held up. That's why we took that.
That's why he touched it.
That is why we touched it. Holy. That was so sick.
I am starting to like Nvidia more, guys. I think this is starting to get slightly ahead.
Tesla has a key level that it's holding. I sent a picture.
Just broke.
It just broke the high. What's the key level?
The low of this candle, like
Okay.
327.50.
Have you sold anything or no, Nor?
No. About to right now.
That's
I'm about to sell half on this 40-cent break. There it goes.
Oh, loaded low.
I sold half. Oh my god, bro. I made 21,000 on that.
Fuck.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm the
What?
fuck out of here. I'm out. Fuck that shit.
You're out?
Yeah.
Fuck. Alright,
24,000,
alright,
bro, on a fucking scalp.
You may still have time on Nvidia, George, if you're completely out.
I'm not.
Okay.
But you know what?
That was so perfect, bro. You can't get more perfect than that. Oh my
11 cents,
god, that
11
shit just
cents.
fucking paid, bro.
Actually, I'm out.
Yeah,
I'm
fuck
out.
that shit. We out. Let's go to Nvidia.
Yeah.
Why the fuck?
I'm already in, so.
We know, bro. Yo, what contracts? What
155s?
contracts?
I did 155s. Yeah,
Alright,
the
beautiful.
next ones are way too
Wow,
cheap.
Frankie, that's how you know his account's getting big.
I'm gonna add more if we start to chip the wall.
By the way, I'm in with you, Frankie. So just let me know your stop. I'm gonna stop out with you.
Yeah, I'm in as
Alright.
well. Oh, loaded low.
Oh my god.
I added right before the.
No way.
That is that all-time high, right?
Good shit, Frankie.
That is all-time high. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a second to breathe here. I'm gonna risk profits with this, so a bit. I think this has room now that it's ahead of the market. Here you go. I think I'm gonna sell everything at around 30 cents, 157.30. If I sell before, I'll tell you guys.
All right, we're here with you. Market's pulling back hard, by the way. My entry wasn't as great as yours, so I'm still sticking to your stop. That's right here.
If we get a red to green here, this should be flying. Yeah.
I sold half, by the way. Just letting you guys know.
Yeah, I sold most of mine there too, Nor.
Nice.
My entry wasn't as good as Frankie's either.
Me
so.
either. It was
I'm just
worth
playing with profits at this point, so
Yeah, and the market
I'm
just
down to hold a little.
yeah, it showed everything we needed to, so I was okay with trading that trade.
I took stop there. That's a good trade, really good trade.
I'm about to hit
On
my
a Friday 20-cent move, definitely.
yeah. I'm about to hit my take profit here soon, or I guess break even / take profit.
That was 20 cents on the contract.
Yeah, that was
for me.
bro. That's amazing, bro. Especially when you're going for that scalp, that's all it needs to do.
The touch it.
Bro. Market's pulling. Oh shit! Market just had a red to green real quick.
Nvidia had an aggressive red to green. See if they can hold it.
Trying to hold it above 157.
Yeah. I don't know how much longer they can do this though. NQ coming back with a red candle.
Aki.
Yeah.
Big red candle. Big red candle. Well, that's Echo.
Is that all-time high?
For Nvidia, yeah. These are
No.
all-time high.
That's been blown.
What's the high?
Somebody
23.
23.
Oh, I gotta
Yeah,
get my
I'm
contracts ready. I'm trying to get out right here. I was about to get out right before that break. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna sell a new high if I get it. If
Market's
not, then I still
crashing.
have.
Yeah, market's cracking, guys. Yeah, be careful. I'm not in this no more.
The contracts are still holding, by the way, but it's just the fact that this could start following the market at any point.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It will be an
What was that
aggressive
alert?
candle when Nvidia
Tesla
lets
got.
go. For
Yo, we
anybody
sold
who's in
Tesla
the chat,
perfectly.
What was that alert?
Yo, we sold Tesla perfectly, George.
No, yeah, facts.
yo, if no one in the chat heard me, if you're still in with me, the rejection on Nvidia could be massive. So I'd
Massive. When he says massive, it could be bad.
just so you guys know,
Yeah, he's not even trolling. He's being dead serious.
because it's consolidating now at this all-time high. So you either get a big push for a new high, or you get a rejection
Done.
here.
I sold that half at peak, so I'm still green nicely, by the way. What do you think, Monkey?
What do you have on this Maki, actually?
Oh
Nvidia?
shit!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Let's get money.
Let's get money, Nor.
I just need the high to break, and I'm selling.
Yeah, same here. I said that to the chat already too, so that'll be my
My target is a
sell
new high,
points.
guys. I'm gonna have a limit fill for 240 if you guys want to catch me on times of sales, if it does happen.
How many contracts do you have?
Not that many. 300.
Oh, okay. I got a third of that.
I sent it to the chat. It's all gonna fill. If it does make a new high, guys, my fill is gonna be exactly 240 because that's where my limit is. Yo, market's crashing. Maki, hold the fucking market up, bro.
Wait, Maki, do you actually have anything on Nvidia? I didn't hear you.
There's QQQ setting up for a put split. If that happens, Nvidia's gonna pull back.
Shit.
QQQ getting smoked. Tesla all the way back down to 326.50.
I know you're paying with NQ now when you're in that Tesla trade. This is doing it. It's doing it to me now in Nvidia.
Yeah, I mean, I'm with you on this though. So until now, we have the perfect setup here for a new high. There's nothing,
Bro,
no red flags.
literally.
The only red flag is.
Oh,
Yep.
yo, shake it, Nor.
I'm about to fill in a second, guys.
Shake it,
Filled.
Maki. Shake it.
Shake that shit, baby. Guys, who got me on times and sales? I'm out.
Shake it.
What the fuck?
Ooh.
I filled at 240.08. I just sent this. Oh, Frankie, you made what? A quarter?
Yeah.
All right. Whew.
God damn.
All right. All right. George, we almost there, baby boy.
Yeah, send a screenshot to the iMessage.
All right. Well, it has to update. It takes like 20
Alright.
minutes to update.
Yo, right, it's rejecting right off that 1 minute trend too,
yeah.
Nor.
Fuck that shit.
Hey, yo, Beastie.
Talk to me.
Shake it.
Absolutely not.
All right, guys. How are we? We alive? What's going on? W's, L's? What are we looking like in the chat?
Nah, never mind. Nvidia wanted to prove me wrong.
Yeah, 250 a contract, bro.
Shit. Ah, so good. I gotta get off of this.
Nah, I'm cool. I had 600 contracts at one point, though. Remember I sold half?
Oh, that's right. I thought you just had that many the entire time.
No. I did, and then when it broke and it got consolidated, I was like, nah, this looks too good to say fuck it here.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I was red on the trade.
That was too
like,
sexy,
on the pullback,
bro.
but the way it got bought up on the next candle, I was like, bro, I need to stay in.
Were you down more than 10%?
No, I was down 5%.
Yo, I screenshotted this. So this is my day. Cause I was doing things when I was muted, but look, this was my day at one point, right? Look what I sent, Frankie. Oh, look at the updated P&L.
Shit. Yo. The comeback.
The
Oh, the 1.3 million turnover is crazy.
Yeah. $48,000 turnaround on the P&L. I'm okay with that. Nah, well, you have to remember how it looks like a lot on the turnover, but we took like fucking 6 trades, bro. So, but market's still falling here, and Nvidia's still holding.
Are we done?
Are we? I might. Depends.
I'm trying to do a Q&A and then walk away after that trade.
How'd you do today? You were green? Break even?
Green 4K.
Alright, cool.
Realistically, I would be
This-
green 3K.
Yo, what was the trade that fucked us? The first one, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
What did we
Tesla
what did we
bounced
do on
right-
that? What was it?
Tesla.
Oh, Tesla's
we took
bitch
it on
ass.
the
Yeah.
bounced right out at 7 cents.
Well, I guess the second one did. Well, did you stop out on the recovery one?
No, but that is
Oh,
I'm
okay.
still counting that as an out for the chat.
Yeah,
'Cause I gave them-
percentage on that. Is
I gave them the stop L price, which was $1 away. So 2 L's today. Pardon me. After a perfect week, Fridays want to fuck us, but Yeah, Adam. That's why I'm counting it. I count that as an L. Perfect week, and then Friday, boom. Nah, you gotta shake that shit though, Maki.
Why me?
I like it when you shake it.
Why do you have to question it? Why can't you just do it? Ever since you got money, Maki, I feel like you question everything now.
What am I gonna tell Maki? Touch it? That's crazy.
Shake it, touch
That's
it.
crazy, bro.
You're telling another grown man to shake it and tell another grown man to touch it.
Bro,
I'm
we
sure
know,
that'll be
you
a
know what we
tweet from-
mean, bro.
No, I don't. I know what I hear. It sounds crazy.
But when I used to say squeeze it, everybody looked at me weird. Now y'all are saying even crazier shit.
Squeeze it. Hold on.
Yo,
Yo, I'm just saying. Actually,
What?
yo, chat. Nor only started saying this stuff in June.
Because
You know
of
what June
Maki.
is? That's a little crazy, guys. A little like coincidence, huh? There you go, Jersey.
Only the OGs remember squeeze it.
What was the other one? If it was dropping.
Flush it.
Flush
baby.
it. Yeah.
Hey, when did you come? Just now? You just got here? You were in there?
Huh?
You were in there? You were in there? Oh.
Yeah, the OGs remember that one.
The market was out to pipe. They were like, Nour's winning too much, bro. Shit is nuts. Shake it, touch it, squeeze it. Alright, wow. Yo, nah.
That's crazy.
I almost read all that. Pipe it is cool. Drill it. I don't know.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Chaz Waller.
Chat Waller? What's going on in the chat?
Yo.
Yo, even Meta,
Dude said slide.
alright, bro.
My setup is getting close. We just need to get to 548.
Let's play.
Yep. If we
Okay.
get down to 548, it's a puts play.
He said he's looking at a puts play.
Why?
Yeah.
I only got $103. Let's see how to do it. That's all I need, right?
Hopefully this shit drops because I'm cash for way too many days. This shit better sell off right now.
When are you getting in?
We need to get down close to the open price first.
Open price?
Yeah, so it's par.
Whole wait, so nigga, I gotta go to the mosque.
Yo.
Yo, open price. Shit.
This is close.
I guess it's far.
Yo. Yo.
Yeah, it's close to me.
What's wrong with Maki, bro? Maki's too used to the night shift.
Yo,
No, when
why?
you guys
I
close,
gotta,
you
I
were
gotta,
talking about defense.
I gotta mute myself.
Man, the video, bro.
Why did Yada post he ran 15 miles this morning?
Wait, what? Stop capping.
Get over here's laughing.
Stop capping,